Buying Ozempic online. Ozempic is a prescription medication used to manage type 2 diabetes and assist with weight management. Buying it online can be convenient, but it requires careful consideration to ensure safety and legality. What is Ozempic? Ozempic, semaglutide, is an injectable medication that helps control blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes and is also prescribed for weight loss in some cases. Is it legal to buy Ozempic online? Buying Ozempic online is legal if done through a licensed pharmacy with a valid prescription. Purchasing without a prescription is illegal and unsafe. How to buy Ozempic online safely? Use a licensed online pharmacy that requires a prescription from a certified healthcare provider. Verify the pharmacy's credentials through regulatory bodies. Importance of a prescription. A prescription ensures that Ozempic is appropriate for your medical condition. Dosage is correct, and potential interactions with other medications are reviewed by a healthcare provider. Risks of buying Ozempic online. Purchasing from unverified sources can lead to receiving counterfeit, expired, or unsafe medications, which can harm your health and waste your money. Check pharmacy accreditation. Ensure the online pharmacy is accredited by recognized authorities and follows strict regulations for dispensing medications safely and legally. Secure payment methods. Use secure payment options and avoid sharing personal or financial information with untrusted websites. Look for encryption and secure checkout processes. Cost considerations. Compare prices across licensed online pharmacies, but be cautious of prices that seem unusually low as they may indicate counterfeit products. Alternatives to buying online. Consult with your healthcare provider about local pharmacies, insurance coverage, and patient assistance programs that may offer Ozempic at reduced costs. Buying Ozempic online can be safe and convenient when done through a licensed pharmacy with a valid prescription. Always prioritize safety, verify pharmacy credentials, and consult your healthcare provider before purchasing medications online.